Though. Hello. This might have to be short though.
Okay.
Hello guys, we are doing a F3X video. New.
It's a Ladora car ride.
Yeah.
Apparently.
Let's hope this can go up. Don't scream if it can. Huh? What are these things?
How did those get here? Strange.
Good thing this isn't.
Looks like we're gonna have to use the other road up.
Good thing this is an SUV. Whoa.
Actually, I don't really care what model it's supposed to be, really. As long as it can fully drive. Now let's go back on the proper road we're going through. Actually, you know what? Forget it. Just gonna pass these cell towers right here. This is insanely quiet.
I keep forgetting that I have my shirt on backwards.
Squidward. This is about to be fun.
We're going in a tunnel.
Yeah.
Or something. Because that is way too wide to be a tunnel. It's gonna get dark, guys. That wasn't really fun. Cell tower.
This entire ride's about to be fun, let me tell you that. And yes, there's a cell tower outside there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a cell tower. Oh, and I de-roaded. I don't know if that's a word. That's a really short cell tower.
Yeah.
This is a part where we might end up on a highway, but who knows? If I could just steer the thing properly, then only this game had proper steering.
Lucas.
This is kind of like the Ladorum version of Driving Empire.
Lucas.
What?
Do you mind if I drive my car?
After you can make that in a separate video. How about that?
I already have the car as a save.
Just make it as a separate video, okay?
Okay.
Because we don't want to take up all your storage on your iPad.
And for some reason, the time check thing on my iPad, how long the video's been, for some reason got removed.
Sus. What was that?
Oh no. 72, okay.
Broom. This is going pretty slow.
Are we even gonna stop at anything?
Well, we will stop at some point in case the car comes off the road. Okay, we're at the neighborhood. Oh, fiddlesticks.
You were drifting for a second.
Why would I ever want to drift? What is this, Emery? But it's a car?
Oh yeah, I really can.
This is actually based off of a real life car ride I've been through before. See, look, there's the Ladorum apartment. Like that. And there's the two cell towers we just passed.
Yeah, I'll show you guys. The one.
One of the cell towers,
One there.
for some reason, the two cell towers, when I look at them from the window, it looks like they're just one cell tower.
The two towers.
Yeah. Those are actually based off of real cell towers I've actually seen before. And we're about to go on a highway. Prepare yourselves.
We're going where?
It's on a highway. Also, this is just a car ride. We're not planning on actually going anywhere because I didn't really put any locations in the map yet. So it's just gonna be an awkward car ride. Doesn't that sound familiar?
Kinda. It goes off the map?
Nah.
Huh?
Wait, it goes off the base plate, but we're still on the road. I put the tan things there for safety.
Yeah.
This is kind of like an actual highway. Now that we're driving by it for the first time. See, this map was built just yesterday, and it was only the cell towers.
You probably won't let me, but I probably could, like, drive my car on the other side of the road and, like follow you.
Exactly.
That would be crazy.
Could
We
I?
have a whole city.
Could I?
I mean, in the separate video, yeah, you can.
Can we make the separate video after this? Also, what does the others look like? 2 blocks?
Look, what? Show me.
Look, the autosave is just 2 blocks for some reason.
Bus.
Hold on, guys. I gotta fix my charger.
You can just enjoy the ride.
Maybe look at some stuff that's on that highway. There's nothing really. This kind of feels like real life.
Yeah.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
It's supposed to feel like real life, actually.
What happens if I jump but I stay? Will I stay in the car?
Let's hope you do.
Yep.
Yep. And the car kind of, oh gosh. Why is it shaking?
Huh?
It started shaking for a sec. Hey, don't walk. Don't walk.
Oh.
That is dangerous to be in real life, actually, too. Okay, and we're going back to the main area of Florence.
Yeah, technically.
Yeah, because this entire map is based off of the area that the Ladorum studio is in.
It's not actually a real place, but not in
Well,
Florida.
technically, it's a Ladorum mobile facility, but the actual Ladorum studio is, it's somewhere in, it's somewhere in some part of the world that no one has ever been to. That's where the official Ladorum studio is.
Fun fact, there's an actual company called Ladorum that we copied off, and
I wouldn't call it copying.
it's called, and the show's called Chuggington, and
I'm sure people have heard of it before.
and I don't think so, because I've never heard it I never heard it until I met you.
Well, first of all, Chuggington has been real popular back in 2010. So there's that.
So and we kinda technically copied off their company.
Not only because I like Ladorum logos, but it just felt good having a company called Ladorum.
Hey, we're about to get back on the faceplate map.
Yeah. And we're getting back to the main part of Florence. Robloxian Florence.
Right when we get to the end, the road just disappears.
The entire highway section just disappears. And then we get back to Florence. I know, that would be real interesting if this wasn't... Well, technically this is in real life. Even the 2 cell towers.
Hey Siri.
No, see. Please don't do it while you're recording.
Wait, will it even appear when I'm recording?